All right, guys. So here, it's in y equals mx plus b format already. What's my y-intercept?
-3.
Yup. Put a dot on -3. Go ahead and tell me, anybody know what my slope is?
4.
Mm-hmm. Good. Hearing multiple people answer, that's great. So that means from this point, I'm going to go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my next point. And there's actually not room for another one on this grid. Solid or dashed line?
Solid.
Solid, good. Draw your line. I'm gonna throw some arrows up in there because it's continuous. It goes on forever. All right. And now, is this saying that y is bigger or y is smaller? Bigger. So that means we shade above. And this is where a highlighter comes in handy. There's a jar of them next to the pencils if you need one. And I highlight up there. So now what I want you guys to do is we want 3 points. Smiley face, a frowny face, and whether or not the line is allowed to be used. Let's answer the easiest one. Line, can I use it, yes or no? Can I use points on the line? I can. So it's yes, and let's put one of the points on there. I'm going to pick 5, 1. You could have also picked -3, 0. Either one of those is fine. Give you a second to write it down. You can use any point that's actually on the line. Yes, you can. Because it's got the equal to, we can use the line. Okay? Which part is the solution? The shaded area or the blank area? Shaded. So put a fat smiley face in the shaded area so you know that's the part you want. And then put a dot anywhere in the shaded area. I do not care where you put it. You just have to be able to label it. So you could pick 0, 0. You could pick 3, 4. You could pick -5, -2. You could pick anything that's over here, any point that's over here, and put it on your list. Anything that's in the colored area. Any point at all. Stephen, put your phone away. Thank you. Okay. Now, which part's the frowny face? Which part can we not use? Can't use the white part. No whites allowed. Got one smile. It's a dumb joke, but sorry. Okay, pick any point you want over here. Any point you want that's in the non-colored area. Non-shaded, we don't want it. I'm gonna pick here. You can pick any point you want. Christian, you keep it up? You able to keep up? Javi, you okay? You got a name wrong? I'll ask him later. Turn the page. Okay, again, I want you to tell me a happy face, a frowny face, and if I can use the line. Okay? Let's start with the easiest one. I don't even need to graph it yet. Can I use the line?
Yeah. Wait.
Is there an underline on that? Is there an equal to on that? So we can't use the line. What's my y-intercept? +1. Put you a dot. What's my slope? I just did an M with 3 humps. Like a very funny looking camel. It's a -1. Put it over 1. So this is going to be down because it's negative, and then to the right. You could also do it where it's up and to the left. You're going to get to the same place. Solid or dashed line? Dashed. Good. I'm just using my ID card. They did me dirty. But I'm just using that as my straight edge. I'm not allowed to say that? It's a bad picture, man. I mean, look at this. Look at the hair. It's like floofy and it's bad. But to be honest, my hair is such a mess with this mask situation, on and off, you know what I mean? It's okay. We're almost done. All right, guys. Am I shading above or below? Is Y bigger or smaller? Yeah, we're looking at the Y. We always look at the Y. So maybe it would help if we made a little cheat sheet. If Y is bigger, then we're going to go above. If Y is smaller, then it's going to be below. Does that help? Above or below? Above. So we're going to go ahead and shade above. So we can pick anything that's in the colored area, right? We like the colors. We don't like the plain. We want some color in our life. Somebody tell me, somebody besides Bryden, give me a point that's in the colored area. I love you, but everyone, they're not going to participate if you are the only one who talks. 4-3. Perfect. That totally works. Somebody else give me one. 5-2. Perfect. Anybody else got one? No? Okay. Give me one we can't use. 0, 1. Yeah, it's on the line. We can't use that. Anything that's over here we can't use. Okay, let's knock it out. Easy cheese. This one is very easy, but most people forget. If you haven't done it in a while, you might need a little refresh. What's my y-intercept?
0.
0. So it's gonna, sorry, not 0, 1.
So, yeah.
What's my slope?
1.
0, actually, because you have no x's.
Oh, okay.
It's like plus 0x.
I'm thinking of y is less than x.
I understand. You'd be correct if that was the case. Solid or dashed, y'all? Is that underlined?
No.
That means dashed. So draw you a dashed line that's straight across. Not up and down, but side to side. Are we going to shade above or below?
Below.
Y is smaller than 1, right? That's saying Y is smaller than 1. So we've got to shade below. And you can color the whole thing if you want. I just tend to be lazy. All right. Next one. You ready? What's my y-intercept? I think you said -2, and I agree. What's my slope? I heard 2/3. Yep, you're right. Steven, phone, thank you. Bring it to me. Okay, does the 2 mean up or right? Which one? Thank you. And this one means right. So starting from this point, you go up 2, right 3, up 2, right 3. You could also flip it down and left. As long as you're keeping the same proportion, it doesn't matter. Solid or dashed?
Solid.
Good, solid. Do I need arrows? Always. Unless it says line segment, you have arrows for forever. And am I going to shade above or below?
Below.
Yeah. Which part is the smiley face?
Blue. Or line blue.
Right. I don't know why. I did a dashed line. I was supposed to do solid. Don't ask me why I did that. Let me fix that. So the line is a yes. Give me a point that's in the solution set. Any point that's in the colored area would work. For a negative what? Yeah. Give me a point we cannot use. Negative 3, 2. Yep, we can't use that. It's in the blank area. I forgot to do that on this. Let's do it real quick. Can we use the line on this one? No, we cannot. Give me something that's in the happy face area. Give me something we can use.
Negative 6, 0.
Sure. Negative 6 and 0. Give me something we can't use. What if I told you x was 3? Give me a y value we can't use. If we're on this line, give me a y we can't use. Can I use 0? Yeah, I'm allowed to, so that's not one we want. Can I use 1?
No.
Can I use 2?
No.
Can I use 3?
No.
See how you have so many options? I'm going to do 3 just for fun. And that's it for those ones.